Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another kind of like a different video. Today we're going to be doing a clean with me. Today we're going to be cleaning my room. So it is a mess, honestly. My desk now is a little bit cleaner. I still have a few things over there, but it's already clean. Okay, so yeah, we're going to be organizing a few items here that I have everywhere, honestly. Yeah, so we're gonna start cleaning. I am inviting you to clean with me, and I know I like watching, I think I said it on my video, but I do like watching cleaning videos. It inspires me to clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Before we get started, before I show you the mess I have, I want to put like a little disclaimer thing. I'm a little embarrassed. It's not always this dirty. It's not always like I don't always have like everything on the floor basically. But I hadn't been off in a couple of I think a couple of days I was gonna say. So I haven't been off in a couple of days. So I usually like just get home and throw my clothes on the floor and like cook something for my family, and that's it. So yes, so I finally decided to do a little bit of cleaning, and I'm bringing you guys with me. Not everything is perfect. I have like a regular size room. It's more like real room. I don't have a lot of decorations in here. So yes, so I hope you guys enjoy watching me clean, and let's get started. Okay, so here is the before. As you can see, I'm almost like ashamed to show you, but it's messy. So right here, I recently just brought this little cube, what is it called, cube thing that I'm gonna be like organizing my my Bath and Body Works like lotions and stuff like that, because currently they're like in a box somewhere. Right here I have my like wintry clothes that I was supposed to put it away, but it got really cold again in Texas, so it's here again. As you can see right there, is to have like gift bags right there. My makeup desk right here is a mess. I have clothes on the floor. Is my first day off since like I don't know, like more than a week. So everything is on the floor. Like I try it on, it's on the floor. I just got my Shein order. It's right there in the floor, so I have to put that away. I have boxes right here, and then in the back I have more clothes. And then this part right here is mostly, I know it's extremely disorganized. But here, right here, we have like our underwear, socks, and stuff like that. So everything is gonna be organized, and then the top right here also is gonna be organized. So here is the before. I'm not gonna do anything like in the walls and stuff like that because we are renting, like, yeah. So but everything I'm going to try to put it away. Yeah, so this is the before. I'm like right here, and I have my daughter's car charging right there. Okay, so first we're gonna start with my makeup desk. We're gonna start cleaning, taking everything out and just put it in its right place. So right now I'm just putting everything in this little basket, a little like bucket. I feel like it's easier for me to like section off the things that I have to go, like certain things that are gonna go in like a certain place. It's easier for me if I section it. So right now I'm just using a little bit of micellar water to clean my desk off. Right here I'm putting all of my Bath and Body Works stuff in the little cube organizer. I started to pick up the things from the floor, like the shoes, and then eventually going to start on the clothes. Right here, I'm going to start on a few more piles of things that I'm going to put like in a certain place together. I have like dirty brushes and I feel like memory stuff, clean clothes, stuff that I originally shopped at. Okay, so here is the after. I thought it was gonna take me a couple of days to do it, but I actually finished it like in a few hours. Okay, so as you can see, there's not a lot of stuff on the floor. Like some of the carpets thing, I want to change. I want to get a new one. But anyways, yeah, but I can see the floor now. Anyways, let's start on this side. I did right here. The only thing I did was just put everything back because my husband and I, just like whenever we use perfume, just put it back and just leave it there. So I just pushed it back and cleaned the top. Yes, my baby's car still is charging right there. Right here, the clothes, I still have to like try them on and stuff like that. So that's why I left it there. And I still have a Christmas gift that I haven't given my coworker because, yeah. Anyways, my vanity is clean. Everything is off the vanity. I have my pajamas that I was wearing. I don't know where I'm gonna put my mirror. Yes. Anyways, right here, I know my husband is like, you wanna have more like furniture in your room so you can keep more stuff, and it's kind of true. So anyways, right there I have my Shein stuff that I have to try on, so that's why I put it right there. Right here I put all of my lotions and stuff like this. Right here I have my little hand sanitizers and body sprays. And then I love this right here. I think I'm gonna get another one. Right here I have all of my masks. Right here are like my face mask, and right here I have on the back I have like socks, and then I think I have some hand also. Yeah, like hand masks. I have a gift right there still for one of my nieces. I haven't seen her. And oh, right here I have more masks right here, so that's why I kind of want to get another one like this. So right here I have like the clutter stuff that I decluttered obviously, but I want to have my like I want to give it to my daughter so she can play with it. So she takes like a palette, plays with it, ruins it, and I throw it away. So that's why I have them here. I have some paint for her, just a little random little blanket that's hers. Right here, oh, I forgot to put my books, but I have my books in her, actually, her little cubie. I have my books, so I'm gonna put them here. So yeah, and I have this cute little thingy right here. It has all of my brushes, most of them. And then I have this one right here with my sponges. Yeah, so I do wanna get something on this side. And then right here I have holes that I was trying to put something in there. But anyways, I do want to put something in there too because it looks a little plain, so I can use this as like a background or something. Yes, right here I still have stuff hanging that I have to do like a little haul video. But I'm excited because everything looks really, really clean. On this side, I put like all of my shoes. It's still a little messy. This This one right here is mostly like my daughter's. I still have to, this is still messy. I have like her headbands and stuff. I have like phone cases in here, nail polish, stuff like that. But in here she has, I have more like most of her like coloring stuff, books, like random stuff, all her colors. So yeah, right here still is like a work in progress. But anyways, I love how it looks. Everything looks clean. Now I have to go and clean my whole house. But anyways, that's it for this part right here of my, I guess I call it my beauty room. Yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched, I hope you guys enjoyed, and also it gives you like a little motivation to clean, because I like watching cleaning videos while I'm cleaning also. So anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.